Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is the April installment of the Pinspiration collaboration that is hosted by Kreationsby Kimber. And this is a monthly collaboration that we do with several other crafty ladies every month at the end of the month. And it is a collaboration where we take our favorite Pinterest pin or a pin that we really wanted to try and feature that craft in our video. So today I wanted to do an easy burlap flower that I saw on Pinterest, of course, and the link for that pin will be down below. And since the farmhouse decorating style is all the rage right now, burlap is in, so I definitely wanted to give this a try. So what you will need for this project is, of course, a piece of burlap approximately 4 inches by 10 inches. You will need some sort of center, so I have my jar of antique buttons. You will need tacky glue. You also will need hot glue. You will need a piece of some sort of wire, either a pipe cleaner, some floral wire, or in this case I have some twisty ties. I'm hoping this will work because I don't have the other items. I have some tweezers just in case. I have my scissors just in case. And so the first thing we need to do for this is take our piece, and as I said, it's 4 inches by 10, and what you want to do is go ahead on one of the short sides. I'm going to choose this side because on this side I'm actually going to have to cut this off. This is the salvage edge of the burlap, and I'm going to go ahead and trim that off because you want to be able to pull the strings from the center of your burlap piece. So what we're going to do is pull each of the horizontal strings out so that we leave a 1/2 inch on both ends. So that's what I'm going to start doing here. Just want to kind of grab one and start pulling it out. Just like that. And just keep going till you go all the way to the other side and leave a 1/2 inch there. All right, with all the center gone here and a 1/2 inch on both sides, what you're going to do is take your tacky glue and run a string of glue along the bottom there, or along one side. And you may want to stick a piece of paper or something to protect your surface because the glue may seep through there. Just run a line. I kind of lost a few at the end just pulling it out, but that's okay. It'll be fine. We'll just trim it up later. So now what you want to do is take and fold this in half right on top of your glue and pinch them together. And you'll want to hold it together until it is till it holds itself together anyway. A couple minutes. You're going to take your wire, or I have a twist tie in this case, and some hot glue, and you're going to glue the end of this to one end of your burlap, right at the where you glued the two sections together. And just let that dry. I'm going to trim these little pieces off, little extra pieces. And now what you want to do is start curling the burlap around with the wire. And go all the way down. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue here and there with the hot glue. Just be careful of the hot glue seeping through. Just put a little tiny dab. That'll kind of help it stay together. Now what you want to do is take and push out your petals. I just think that looks so cool. Push it out to the way you want it. And the last thing you need to do is put a little bit of hot glue in there and a button. So I'll see what button I want to use. I think I kind of like this one. It's kind of cool. It has a cool pattern on the top. So I'm going to glue that right down in there. And you can kind of maneuver the petals so they look even all the way around. But I just think that it's such an awesome flower, and that would look great on like one of those galvanized metal tins if you wrap some burlap or jute twine around and then add that, or onto like a picture frame or something like that. So I'm just gonna hot glue that down. And I'm actually going to cut this off, which is to help twist the burlap around, but I won't need that there. But I suppose if you wanted to make like a bouquet of these and have the wire like longer pieces and just kind of arrange them, that would look really pretty. But I think I'm going to I have some galvanized little tins that I'm going to make it up, and I will insert some pictures here at the end of the video. So I just think that looks really cool. So I hope you like this quick little tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Go ahead and check out all the other crafty ladies in this Pinspiration collaboration, and come back and check out all my other videos. Check out my Etsy shop. All the links will be down below. And I just hope you love this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.